Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to spell check your email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner. Click on Gmail. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to Compose an Email. Increase the size of the email window. Now what we want to do is select the recipient that we will be sending the email to, which is admin@computersciencevideos.com. The subject will be spell check. Let's now compile an email. Dear admin, and in this tutorial we will be adding some words that have been spelled incorrectly for the purpose of this tutorial. So I hope that this email finds you well. Finds you well. As you can see, we have two words that have been incorrectly spelled. Those will go through the email spell checker. Let's now say, please see the attached file or whatever we have attached to the email. Kind regards. Comma space, Computer Science Videos. And now what we want to do is highlight the full composed email. Go to the bottom, 3 dots, check spelling. Email, well. Please see the attached, which needs to be changed to attached file to this email. We are then ready to send this email. And then we receive a pop-up message on screen that says, it seems like you have forgot to attach a file. You wrote, see the attached in your message, but there are no files attached. So let's now click on cancel. Let's now attach a file to this email. Let's go to Documents, My YouTube Channel, attach the logo for the purpose of this tutorial, click on Send, View Message. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached file to this email. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos, and then we have that attached icon to this email. And this whole email has been through a spell check, so we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.